Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to export your WhatsApp chat history on both iPhone and Android. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now select the chat you want to export. In my case, I'll open the chat with my friend. Once the chat is open, tap on the profile name at the top to open the contact details. Scroll down and here you'll see an option called Export Chat. When you tap on it, WhatsApp will give you two options. Export with media. This means it will include all the photos, videos, and files from that chat. Export without media. This means it will only export the text messages without the images or videos. In my case, I'll select without media since I only need the text messages. After selecting, WhatsApp will ask you where you want to send or save the file. You can choose to send it through WhatsApp itself, email it, or even save it to your phone. For this example, I'll just send it to another WhatsApp chat. WhatsApp will create a zip file that contains all the exported messages. Once you receive the file, you can tap on Preview and it will show you the entire chat history in a simple text format. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips.